Here's a simple step-by-step guide to recover your Google account if you're locked out. First, open any browser and go to the official recovery link, g.co/recover. This is Google's automated recovery tool designed to help you get back into your account safely. Type in the email address or phone number connected to your Google account, then tap Continue. Google will now ask you a series of personalized security questions. These may include last password you remember, a verification code sent to your phone, backup email verification, and confirming devices you've used before. Don't worry if you can't answer one of the questions. Just tap Try another way, and Google will show a different option. It's completely okay if you enter a wrong answer. Google won't lock you out or reset your progress. There's also no limit to how many times you can attempt recovery. If recovery fails the first time, try again later from a device or location you've previously used to sign in. Google's system recognizes familiar places, browsers, and networks, which increases your chance of successful recovery. Once you regain access, secure your account, update your password, add a recovery phone and email, enable two-step verification. These steps make future recovery much easier and protect you from unauthorized access. And that's it. Visit g.co/recover anytime you need help signing back into your Google account.